Once, an elderly farmer lived in the village. He had 4 sons. They always argued with one another. The farmer made numerous attempts to bring them together, but they were unwilling to pay heed to his counsel. He was extremely concerned for their future. The elderly farmer decided to bring his sons together after he fell ill one day. He asked his sons to bring a few sticks to him. They brought the sticks. The farmer asked his oldest son to bundle them together. Then he challenged them to use all of their might to smash it. Each son attempted to break the bundle but was unsuccessful. The farmer then untied the bundle, gave the sticks to each of them, and instructed them to break them. They were all able to do it with ease. "Now you get it?" the farmer asked. "If you stand together, no one can defeat you. But as long as you fight, anyone can break you," he explained. The moral of the story is that we should live in harmony like a bundle of sticks. It will be easy to break us if we fight among ourselves.